so you know I got a phone. I gotta make sure I look alright.
Whipping, ready to die for my boy, I'm never slipping. I hope y'all understand me before they leave me dead or in a prison. Others the I ain't got no trust.
Oof. You get a haircut. What's going on, y'all? It's 508 District Kicks. Back again with another video. You dig? Another little vlog. I'm gonna be linking up with my editor, Chloe. We're gonna be trying the Travis Scott McDonald's meal. Shocker. I'm getting McDonald's. Feel type of way about that. Hold my no cap. Yep. Trying Travis Scott meal. Going to Revere or Everett to make a deal with my boy Omar. Oh, he just hit me up. That's so weird. But anyways. Yeah, I'm going to sell a pair of obsidians to him. Size 8.5. What else we about to do? Chloe is even gonna get the Travis Scott meal because she's a vegetarian. Ain't that so? Well, not today. She's not. Not today. About to absolutely dog that Travis Scott meal. I haven't eaten yet today, and I know most of y'all don't believe that statement.
But I really haven't eaten yet today.
So, I'm hungry. You know what I'm saying? I'm hungry. I need something to eat. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna dog it. You might not even see the shit on the table. I'm about to kill that. I'm about to sell the obsidian. Let me show y'all something actually. Yeah. Look at that. Like, it's just so, it's genuine. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it keeps it a buck with you. VADS. OGL. Slight toe creasing. Slight. I need to get one of these for the toe, I'm not gonna lie. You know what should I wear every day? I'm gonna show you.
Oh, no.
No cap. Look at the dust on them. Boy, ain't got no grip. Need to be retired now that I'm really be on YouTube showing off these crusty slides. You know what else too I just thought about? You know how many times your mother has hit you with this? Pops it off across the accuracy? Really, like, you know what I'm talking about. To say something smart to your mom, she pops off the sandal.
Boy.
If you know, you know. You say it, you see her pop off the slide, you'd be like, going around the corner. No. But yeah, Travis Scott meal. Selling obsidians, buying obsidians, buying satins, hanging out with your mother. You know, follow the social. 508_district_kicks. Snap. $23. Made it in 6th grade. If you feel the type of way about that, I got my slides on right now. Alright, yo, peace. What's up, guys? I forgot to mention that I won a giveaway last night. A local reseller was doing a live and he was doing a giveaway. Now on the way back, we're gonna get the Travis Scott meal. But Chloe's not eating because she's vegan.
Alright.
Just kidding.
No, you're not.
Just kidding.
Liar.
No, you're not.
But yeah.
No.
I am disgusted.
Alright, I'm turning the camera.
Okay.
Brand new whip with a brand new on God, I can't cuff these. I just got a brand new lick and brand new wrist. It's not a paper won't fold.
Skip's crib. About to pick up.
Hello.
Pick up what I won in the giveaway.
This is Skip to My Shoes, the team here. We're a buy, sell, trade, reselling group located in Cambridge, Mass.
We have lots of heat. DM us on Instagram if you want to buy, sell, or trade. We're open to everything.
We just started our TikTok recently. Follow us, skiptomyshoe.stms. We got more videos coming soon.
No, you're good. No, but so there's a bug.
That sounds. Don't do that.
Killed it. Just met with my boys. Skip to My Shoe, a little group. Got my giveaway prize. 2 Supreme stickers. How's your mother? Shout out to them. Not cool people. Definitely recommend them to business. Go check out their page. They have heat. Like, they have heat. Now we're going to McDonald's. I'm starving. It's 4 o'clock. I haven't eaten yet. Get that Travis Scott meal for the first time. I'm pumped. I don't know about you, Chloe, but I'm ready to go.
I mean, I'm excited to see.
No. Listen. Yeah, Travis Scott meal. Can't wait for that crispy spray.
Oh.
But yeah, we're gonna try that little mukbang, whatever you want to call it.
Mukbang.
Yeah. Tonight. Yeah. Tonight, I'm still supposed to go meet with that kid in Everett. I'm gonna buy my obsidians, and I'm gonna buy another pair of obsidians from a different kid, and a pair of satins. But yeah, stay tuned.
All came from that block, now we aim for the top, and now we ain't never gonna stop. Debo came straight from the blower, don't rust in my sock. I used to walk around with a guy. Don't wanna play with that girl, we all line him and chop. Make his mama go pick out a bar. Zoo beefing with Snotty, ain't getting no money.
Hello?
No.
That was so rude.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Can I help you?
Do you guys have the Travis Scott meal?
Yeah, but today's more expensive. It's like 12 something.
Oh. Okay.
Did I say something?
I guess we'll do a different one.
Money, so I give a fuck about the eye. I had to upgrade my cause my old one was tripping. She wrong, but she'll never admit it. These said I couldn't do it, but now they regret it. Cause yeah, I did it. I still run around with the who towing no sticks in the sprinter. They
We just got to the other McDonald's. If they don't have it here, I don't even know.
Someone's gonna watch me eat some food.
Do you guys still have the Travis Scott meal?
No, only online though.
Alright, can I get the spicy nuggets, 10 piece? Thank you so much. Went to McDonald's, didn't get a Travis Scott meal, so I got spicy nuggets. I got a spray, but it fell. You know, people eat like ranch with like pizza. That, yeah. Like the barbecue, or no, the eggs. Ew. That's gross. What? What did you just say? Someone was asking about shoes. Yeah.
No, just no.
We should make a video of like just putting together like gross concoctions. If you want to see that, some type of challenge, like I could probably get some people to do that.
Have you ever seen
Vanilla ice goes
that show?
Or you know what we could do? We could have people eat gross stuff and then make them fight, and then just see if they throw up or not.
That's. I'll have to watch it back 50 times of just gut punch like.
Keep this in here, Donnie. Yeah, we're calling you out right now. Just hit 285 on bench. You're feeling like a big man right now. Come do this boxing competition. You too, Mike. What's up?
Who?
I know you need the money if you win the competition.
Not nice. The straw.
Stay tuned for tonight. We're making deals. Yeah. This video, I just picked up a pair of obsidians and a pair of satins. Going to sell both pair of obsidians to my boy Omar.
We good?
Yeah.
I'm thinking about hitting a lick today. I'm trying to brighten my wrist today. I broke out the trigger with came with a stendos. Ain't using no fish today. I'm trying to go and get rich 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 today. I got a top, now I got us flip flops, yeah. Ain't taking no piss size. I race to the guap, need a chip chop, yeah. My cousin ain't snitch doing like this game. This is not hip hop, yeah. They know I'm a big dog, ain't stopping till I hit the tip top, yes. I leave yellow tape, shorty cupped up, but she still give me weight. She take performance, don't go on no dates. He bleed like me, and he ain't that great. Sorry, can't trust you, it's part of my trait. Ain't from back in the day. Every day I'm trapping all day.
This is what happened. We just pulled up my boy Omar. Shout out him. Sold him a pair of obsidians. I sold him a pair of satins. I still got another pair of obsidians because the guy told me it was dead stock. They're not dead stock. But I had to cop them. Anyways, I drove out there. And I was like, whatever, I'll sell them. It's been a long day. It's been a successful day. Made a little bit of money. Shout out Chloe for hanging in with me. Just a lot of driving. And people don't always know how to drive. You know, we're from Massachusetts. So it gets real. The comments can vouch for that. Peace.
Jesus told me I would never be. Now they see me, I got gold in my teeth. I know them hating teachers was sick as when I skirted off in that H3. I used to always get in the bathroom. That girl that you with probably on my feet.